You've got a flat connection right off the bat. When you are making this, in my case, I'm putting it on and taking it off here. So the cutting, I saved a little time. When you cut with this, makes it easy for you to take the blade and put it on. So you make that slot nice. And then you reap the benefits that it's so easy for you to take it on and put it off because you do it 3-4 times at a time you've built your saw. Now at this point, if you've got the flat points worked out, you can pick up your saw thusly and you put it on this, and I guess pass me that there. You see as I keep it under pressure, and we constrictor or any 12 inch is good enough. We'll put it on there. Okay, good. Notice that with a stick here and bearing down like that, it makes it convenient for us to be able to get our fingers and do the winding. Using jute or whatever cord gives it a kind of a natural flavor, flair. That's why I avoided the yellow twine in this case. What the heck is that string? And